So the GTR R32 Skyline GTR has been down for some days, and not that it doesn't work, it works, it just doesn't work well right now. And I'm trying to figure out what the heck is going on with this thing. So it was starting to misfire. I went to the drag strip and it was starting to misfire. I'm like, what is happening here? Don't know exactly. Maybe it's some spark plugs, maybe it's something else. I don't know. But you know what? Then we were like, you know what? Let's try to diagnose this thing and figure it out. My tuner said, you know what? Hey, it just might be these old coil packs that I have in here. I have these split fire ones in there, and I don't know when they were put in because when I bought this car from the guy I bought it from, they're already in here. These things could have been in here for years. I don't know. And if it's not the actual coil packs, maybe it's that little thing right there that doesn't look like it's in healthy shape, but who knows? I don't know. But anyways, that's kind of what our hypothesis was. So I was like, okay, what can I do? So then doing some research online, figured out that I could order these, I guess the R35 GTR coil packs, go nice and smooth into this thing with a couple little bracket stuff and bracketry and all that fun stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me look into that. Let me see what I can do to get some R35 coil packs for my GTR. So I was like, you know what? I went online, found it on a website, ordered it. It took me about, it took me like a week and a half or so before I finally got them in. So it wasn't too long of a wait, but a week and a half before they finally came in. Anyways, got them. And now I'm going to proceed with getting them installed. I don't have a ton of tools with me here. I have some basic stuff, but I always go to my friend's house whenever I'm looking at getting stuff put in because he has all the great tools and everything I need, so we don't get stuck in one part because I don't have a particular this or particular that or something that can reach here or reach there. I'm sure this install probably isn't any complicated or anything like that, but hey, I want to make sure I have all the stuff, so I always go to his house and make it happen. But anyways, you can see right here, I don't have my little cover there. It's got these split fires. They're not really doing that great right now, I don't think. Who knows? Maybe that's not the issue at all. Maybe there's another issue. I don't know, but we got to rule it out. Let's put some new stuff. Nothing wrong with putting some R35 coil packs in this old 1991 Nissan Skyline GTR. But should be interesting. We'll see. We'll see if it works or not. So right here is the packaging that I got. Here's the package stuff. So in my nice little box when I received it, basically what we found was here are the coil packs. The coil packs are in these beautiful little boxes right here. You see there's 2 in each box. I got 3 boxes, 6 of them, because this thing runs off of 6. I don't know what bobina de encendido means, but I think it means ignition coil. Bobina de encendido. You like my Spanish accent? And then this is a little bracket thing I think you need to make sure this thing fits in there the right way. So that's that. I got you can, where I bought this from, you can order different colors. You can order pink, purple, red, blue, whatever you want to order. I went with a goldish one because I don't know, that's what I wanted to do. Here's some wiring stuff that plugs into stuff. And then these are needed right there. Some nuts and bolts, and then some of this stuff. I guess the coil pack, this little long leg goes through there. So we'll get that all installed, but that's basically what it looked like when it came in the mail in this nice little box, all packaged up great. Hopefully there shouldn't be any complications. Should be a fairly simple, easy thing. But yeah, we'll find out. But just wanted to show you what it looked like. All right, so pulled out the split fire coil packs, and then looked like we found some oil down here. Not sure what caused it exactly, but there is oil here. That definitely, probably, you can see how it's all up in the spark plugs and all that stuff. If you can zoom in, where we can see if we can see it in there. Kind of hard, but anyways, probably fouled up the plugs pretty good because that's a ton of oil. All that black, it's all that oil in there. No bueno. Spark plugs look decent. Nothing too crazy going on that I could see. Well, that's one at least. We pulled out one. The one that had all the oil around it and all that stuff. But looks decent. Doesn't look like there's a lot of oil that really got in there and messed anything up. Pulled out the split fire plug, or the split fire coil packs. Sitting right there, and yeah, those are gonna be gone. Taking them out, they're gone. See ya. So we pulled all the spark plugs out, and we are now going to check the gaps on them and re-gap what we need to re-gap. Make sure it's all good, and then put them back in, and then get back to installing these things. So we have the old split fires out of there, all that old crap is out, and now we have the new coil packs, R35 Coilpack conversion kit thingy for the R32 GTR. You can see it looks great. All we had to do is basically replace these. The stock stalks that came with this are out now. Now you got these ones that make it work with the 32. And it goes right into this nice little bracket. It fits right in there. We're gonna put it in, and be just about ready. So we got it all in. We're about to throw it down. New coil packs going in, nice and smooth and easy and simple. Woohoo! All right, so now we have the new coil packs in, R35 coil packs, all in from PRP, those people. And yeah, it's looking pretty, looking nice. We haven't fired it up yet, but everything's all hooked in. We'll check everything real quick, make sure it's all good, fire it up, and hopefully the GTR is running a lot more smooth. So she's running, everything works. There's nothing smoking, nothing's crisscrossed. It's all good. She's running, she's working, and hopefully my misfire issues are done. I don't hear it misfiring at all, which is good. You can hear, I mean, it's cams, so if you hear it kind of sounding a little interesting, that's because it's cams. But yeah, car seems to be working well. Driving around and see how that goes.